What?
Are you serious?
What? Piggy loves the herb.
Oh my god.
The seams are cut.
Oh, it hurts my stomach. My God.
Good cookie.
Yeah, no. Oh, God.
What are you laughing about? I really don't Why don't you hold it to yourself, Ellen? Here, let me hold it. We should film out. Oh. Oh.
This is not gonna be fun. You could be like, spiritual coach.
Sanırım gitsin şöyle bir yere koysak.
I got it.
No, I wanna put it right here.
Glass of water.
Oh, give me that one.
It's waterproof. It doesn't matter.
Give me that. Move this
Oh
over.
my God! I thought you guys were sitting over there. Did I just fall down? I thought you were sitting over there.
Ow! Did anything happen to you?
Of course, you thought we were dead. Don't you hear him saying that?
Yeah.
Why?
Sounds strange.
Everything is just funnier.
I wish there was tea.
I can make you tea.
Alright. I wanna dunk my it's like
Dunk your biscuit.
I am remembering the class and I'm trying to talk about it, but something else is happening.
That's great. Do that, guys. It's not very important, that's why.
Oh. Was it good? Was it good?
Yeah. Every place is good.
What kind of tea do you want, Mom?
How did that?
Black tea?
What?
But don't leave it too
What
long.
are Rachel's classes like?
There are only like 10 people constantly come. The rest come and go. It's not crowded.
You want me to put it in this
Okay,
thing?
thanks.
Can I put it in this thing?
What? No, I mean the kind of stuff hers is. Does she do strength, really difficult stuff, or what?
Or just one move, go into it, go into it, go into it, and then next move, go into it, go into it, like more even detail.
Hers is basically the same. There's nothing varied.
I'm torn in between all the things I learned. They taught us to go the floating. No, I did last week and you liked it. But I can't do it that fast. I can't remember my words, the movement, I forget it.